Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi na isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about the obtaining equation of a line given any 2 points. So, dalawang points yung given natin dito. Okay, so our first example, find the equation of a line passing through the points. Yung first point natin is x is negative 3, y is positive 1. And second point, that is x is 1, and y is 4. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, we have to solve first the slope. Yung slope natin, yung m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, ito yung x sub 1, ito yung y sub 1, ito yung x sub 2, ito yung y sub 2. Okay, so i-substitute na muna natin yan para makuha natin yung slope. So, y sub 2 is 1 is positive 4 minus y sub 1 is 1 over x sub 2 is 1 positive 1, then minus x sub 1 naman ay negative 3. So, negative 3. Okay, so yung slope 4 minus 1 is 3 over 1. So, multiply natin si negative tsaka negative 3, that is positive 3. So, yung slope natin dito is 3/4. Okay, so ngayon, pag makuha na natin yung slope, okay, pipili tayo sa dalawang point. Pwedeng ito si x is negative 3 and y is positive 1. Okay, pwede rin itong x is 1, y is positive 4. So, unahin muna natin itong x is negative 3, y is positive 1. So, yung formula natin gagamitin sa susunod ay yung m equals y minus y sub 1, then x minus x sub 1. Kasi nga nagpili tayo ng isang point. Diba? Given yung slope, tapos isang point na yung gagamitin natin. So, unahin natin ito. So, yung slope natin, the same pa rin, 3/4. Okay, equals y minus yung y sub 1 natin, si 1. Okay? Yan, ito. Si y sub 1. Over x, tapos minus, x sub 1 naman is negative 3. Close natin yan. So, 3/4, yung slope, equals y minus 1. Simplify muna natin itong nasa baba. Then, x plus 3. Kasi nga, negative times negative 3, that is x. That is positive 3. Okay, so i-cross multiply na natin yan. Okay, so unahin muna natin ito si 3 times x plus 3. Tapos equals 4 times y minus 1. Then simplify natin. So 3 times x, that is 3x dito sa asa. Tapos yan, 3 times x, 3x. So 3 times 3, that is positive 9. Okay? Tapos dito naman sa kabila, equals 4 times y, that is 4y. I-distribute natin yan. Then 4 times negative 1, that is negative 4. Pagkatapos, i-transpose natin si 4y to the left side. So, magiging 3x minus 4y. So, take note kapag mag-transpose tayo ng number or variable, always change the sign. So, from positive, magiging negative na siya. Then, equals negative 4. Tapos, itong positive y, positive 9, magiging negative 9. So, final answer natin dito, 3x minus 4y equals negative 13. So, ito na yung equation of the line. So, i-try natin yung isang point. Ito yung x sub 1 natin, ito yung y sub 1. Kung the same ba sila. Okay, try natin. Same formula, m equals y minus y sub 1 over x minus x sub 1. So, yung slope, the same. 3/4 equals y minus y sub 1 is 4. Okay? Tapos, yung x minus x sub 1 natin is 1. So, cross multiply. 3 times x minus 1 equals 4 times y minus 4. Okay? Simplify or distribute. 3 times x, that is 3x. Tapos 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Equals, yan. 4 times y, that is 4y minus 16. Then, i-transpose na natin yan. So, 3x, kaya pa dito. 3x, si 4y magiging negative 4y. Then, equals 16. Negative 16. Tapos, ang negative 3 magiging positive 3. Okay? So, 3x minus 4y equals negative 16 plus 3. So, negative 13. So, negative 13. So, the same pa rin sila. So, pili ka lang, either of the two. So, dalawang point. Pili ka kahit ito, pwede rin ito. Okay, so next example tayo. Okay. Find the equation of the line passing through the points x is 1, x is positive 2, y is 1. And the second point is x is 3, y is 3. So, first, kunin muna natin yung slope. Okay? Si y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, ito yung x sub 1, ito yung y sub 1, ito yung x sub 2, ito yung x sub 2. Okay, then at i-ano natin yan, i-substitute. So, y sub 2, this one, si 3, minus y sub 1, ito, si 1. Over x sub 2 natin is positive 3 minus x sub 1 is 2. Okay? So, yung slope natin dito, 3 minus 1 is 2 over 3 minus 2 is 1 or 2. Okay? So, ngayon, pili tayo kung ano yung point na gustuhin natin. So, i-try natin ito si first point. So, ito na yung x sub 1, ito yung y sub 1. So, yung formula natin, m equals y minus y sub 1 over x minus x sub 1. So, yung slope natin is 2 equals y minus y sub 1 is 1 over x minus x sub 1 natin is 2. Then, cross multiply. Yan, multiply natin yan. So, 2 times x minus 2 equals 1 times y minus 1. Then, distribute. 2 times x is 2x. Tapos, 2 times negative 2, that is negative 4, equals y minus 1. Then, ano natin yan, si y. I-transpose natin yan. So, 2x minus y. So, from positive y, transpose natin sa left side, magiging negative y. Equals negative 1. Tapos, itong negative 4, magiging plus 4. So, 2x minus y equals positive 3. So, ito na yung equation of the line natin. So, ngayon, i-ano natin yan, ipalitan natin, ito naman yung pipiliin natin, yung isa. Ito na naman yung x sub 1, ito yung x sub 1, ito yung y sub 1. Okay, so slope equals y minus y sub 1 over x minus x sub 1. So, yung slope natin, the same pa rin, 2. Okay, equals y minus y sub 1, 3. Okay, over x minus x sub 1 is 3 pa rin. So, cross multiply. So, 2 times x minus 3 equals 1 times y minus 3 is y minus 3. Simplify natin yan. That is 2x or 2 times x is 2x minus 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Then negative 3 man yan. So negative 6 equals y minus 3. Okay? Then i-transpose natin yan si y. So 2x. So from positive y magiging negative y. And then equals negative 3. Tapos itong negative 6 magiging plus 6. Okay? Always change the sign kapag mag-change tayo or mag-transpose tayo. So final answer natin dito, 2x minus y equals negative 3 plus 6. Okay? Copy the sign of the bigger number which is positive. Then subtract. So magiging 3 or positive 3. So the same sila. Okay? Pili ka lang kung ano yung point na gagamitin mo. Okay po. So, maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakisubscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. At paki-follow na rin sa ating Facebook page, Sir Ariel Math Review. Thank you and God bless.